Latest multifunctional folding circulation fan. Like a natural wind, cool and comfortable. Say goodbye to stuffing. Built-in powerful motor, large wind output. Foldable body design can be adjusted at so many angles. Take out the cotton in the mesh cover and spray on your favorite perfume. Place it in the middle and close the lid. A faint fragrance in the wind, which makes people feel refreshed. Base grooves hold ice cubes. Not only reduces the surrounding temperature and makes the wind cooler, it also acts as a humidifier, easy to fold and store. Daily going out, portable, and does not take up space. Built-in multi-speed wind adjustment. Accompany quietly in the middle of the night. Turn on all night, low power consumption. Give you a fine night. Various colors are available.